Hello viewers, and this is the part 2 of the text in shape class with design mastery. Okay, in the first video some people were complaining and I didn't give instructions, so in this video I'm going to give a full instruction and then you're going to understand the step-by-step approach on how to do this. So first I'll pick the Bezier tool and then I'll call the part of this object that I want to make my text take its shape. Okay, so I say I start here. Okay, drop the tool, hold your shift key and select the main object. You press intersect and then bring out the object. Still select this, hold the shift key, select the main object and press back -1. Alright, so in this shape we are going to make our text take the shape of this. This is the shape of this. Okay, what do we write? You can write anything. So I'm going to write my name. Okay, and then I want to make it area black. Alright, so what do? I go to Windows, I go to Dockers, Effects, Envelope. Alright, then now keep lines, and then I'll create envelope from this. Alright, see, and then I'll drop the tool. Now the text has taken the shape of this, and then I will move it in here. Okay, then I can try to adjust it so it will fit in. See, very simple. Alright, I'm going to cut out this part as well, and then I'll write on it. Let's pick the Bezier tool. I'll zoom in, start from here. Just keep moving along the parts you want to cut out, and then end it. When you do, you drop the tool, hold your shift key, select the main object and intersect. Bring out the object, click on the part again, click on the main object and back -1. Alright, that's it. Now I want to make another text to take the shape of this. Before we do, I would rotate it. Okay. After that, I would write the text I want to put there. Okay, I'll put design mastery. And then maybe I'll reduce the text. I still want to make it Arial black. Okay, then keep lines and create envelope from this. You see, it has taken the shape of the object we cut from the lion, and I'll drop and insert it here. I need to rotate it to fit in. Okay, so you can actually make your text take any shape. All right. All right, this is it. And we can just keep going until we get what we want. Good. All right. So actually, this is about it. Good. This is text in shape. Making an object, making your text take the shape of an object. And then after that, I'm going to delete all this. So this is the same with the bottle. Okay. Nice. Use the Bezier tool. Cut out the part of this bottle. Drag the tool, hold the shift key, select the main object and intersect. Bring this out. Click on this and hold shift key. Click on the main object and back -1. Then we can update this like this. Write anything. Just write your name. See my name. This should be your name. Click on this, make it Arial black. I like using Arial black. I don't know why. Okay, so could reduce this. Just skip lines until it's checked. Then create font from this. Okay, and we drop the tool. rotate this and then move it to here. See, that is amazing. Then you could delete this. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you grabbed all you needed to. All right, subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of video. All right, we post 2 times a week, sometimes more than 2 times. Okay, just try and make our time to teach you and show you the tricks you need to do all those things you see online. I think it's not possible. Okay.